This video introduces how to design an AP placement plan for a site using AI Heatmap on Ruijie Cloud. Are you still struggling with AP selection and placement when designing a wireless network for a hotel or office? You can use AI Heatmap on Ruijie Cloud to quickly design an AP placement plan and generate a bill of materials. You only need to upload a floor plan and enter relevant information, such as the floor height and signal coverage requirements. Then, AI Heatmap on Ruijie Cloud can intelligently plan the network, output the matching biom, and visualize the Wi-Fi heat map. Visit the official website of Ruijie Cloud. On the displayed web page, enter your username and password, and click Login. Log into Ruijie Cloud and choose AI Heatmap, biom, AI Heatmap. Set biom name and scenario, and click OK. Click the settings icon to set heat map color and simulation area. Click Upload Floor Plan. Select a floor plan, and click Open to upload it. Name the floor, read and agree to the privacy policy, and click OK. Set the scale. To set the scale, draw a solid line on the floor plan and set its actual length. For example, you can set the length of a door or wall. The scale directly affects the coverage display of wireless signals and IP cameras. If the uploaded floor plan contains scale bars, the system automatically identifies their actual length. If the identified length is inaccurate, you can manually set the scale bars. Adjust the floor plan based on the scenario requirements. To place APs on another floor, click the plus symbol to upload an additional floor plan. Click here to modify the floor name and floor number, and configure icon settings, floor plan transparency, and other parameters. Draw the wall. After the scale is set, the system automatically identifies walls. If some walls are not correctly identified, you can manually adjust the walls. Click Add Wall, select the wall thickness, and then draw the wall. The system supports two AP configuration methods. Select APs manually. Click Place Devices manually. Select required APs from the product library and drag them to the floor plan. The system automatically displays the Wi-Fi heat map. If you are unfamiliar with APs and lack AP placement experience, use AI-assisted AP placement. Click AI-assisted AP placement. Select the project scenario. Select the area where APs need to be deployed. Note, if some areas do not need Wi-Fi signal coverage, you can delete these areas. Select AP models. Click Start AP Placement. The system automatically adjusts the AP placement to ensure the maximum coverage of strong signals. If the AP placement plan is confirmed, click Apply. After the APs are deployed, you can switch between 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz frequency bands to view the signal coverage and received signal strength indicators. Click Cabling to view the cable connections. Set an ELV tunnel. Draw a cable tray or duct. Select the cable connection mode and cable type. Click Start Cabling. Click Topology to view the network topology. Click Indoor System Diagram to view devices and accessories deployed on each floor in the topology. Click Indoor 3D System Diagram to view devices and accessories deployed on each floor in the topology. Click Device List to view each device's PO budget and number of ports. Set the unit price of an AP to generate the overall cost in a biom. You can also click View by Position to check the price for a specific space. Click Export to generate a BOM. The BOM includes the product list, topology, indoor heat map configuration, BOM highlights, and company information. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.